Let it focus. Sunday, guys. Pretty good day. Just finished my morning routine pretty early. Check out the jacket. It's like all sealed up. Like, it feels like, it's not like gluey, but it's like sort of like has this silicone-y type feeling. It's very solid and waterproof. So I'm very happy for how that came out. New day. Pretty happy. Feel pretty good. I'm excited to really take things to the next level. I've got a lot of ideas in my mind just in my meditation. Nearly finished 30 days of that. Let me actually track that right now. But yeah, lots of ideas, lots of things to apply. Slow and steady. Things hasn't popped off yet, but I'm enjoying the process. I really am. Things are really fun. Today's Sunday, so I'm going to do some research and learn some new things. But let's start with today's finances. Currently trying to figure out the maths to calculate how much cash and asset / net worth I have to have for me to not have insurance on my car and not insure it. I'm just going to do the maths. I think all these very unconventional things are things that people look over because, you know, as an actuary student, insurance companies, they're making a profit on you. Yes, there's a maths where if you have $1 million house and then that's all you have and that burns down and you lose your whole net worth, your whole life is stuffed and the cost of paying, you know, $2,000 per year is worth it in that case. But what if you had $10 million in cash, 20, 30? Insuring that $1 million house might not be worth it, and the same with the car. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do a maths, and I'm going to do a video on how I did the maths as well, so that's going to be on my channel. But yeah, I'm going to figure out right now. I'm just really using like the maths that I learned in high school is actually paying off now. Haven't figured out the maths. I think I'm not good enough. I'm gonna have to save this question for my uncle who has a master's degree in mathematics, so he's gonna be able to help me with that. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good exercise because I'm pretty sure like anything that's conventional is not worth it. That's my theory. For example, cooking and making your own food, it's actually not worth your money or time. I'll explain more about that later. I need to change the battery and back to work. Alright, so the associates here, I'm teaching them Facebook ads today. Just came back from the city. We bought a printer and we bought a handheld drill. This is going to help me set up the cable management rack underneath the standing table. How much do you think we got it both for, Stephen?
Oh, it's not 200.
Yeah, he said lower than 200.
120.
Lower.
For free.
No, not for free.
For free? Oh.
No.
75.
About there. We got it for 80 bucks.
What the?
Double-sided color printer, wireless printing, wireless battery, lithium pack, drill, steel. I know. And yeah, now they're just launching Facebook ads. They're just putting up the testimonials, uploading those, and yeah, that's how Sunday's gone so far. And I'm gonna put the printer into here. I'll show you. It's gonna fit perfectly right there. Hey Siri, pause. So yeah, the interns just dropped them off home. They did amazing work today. Launched all by the Facebook ads. So the Facebook ads you guys are gonna see a lot of my Facebook ads, and it's gonna be a lot of retargeting. Pretty exhausted. You know, today I think went on a drive, picked up a bunch of items, bought a new printer, got a new drill, trained the interns. We cooked some nice dinner. Wasn't able to vlog that. Forgot to vlog that. Pretty exhausted. I'm gonna have to cook some rice and cook some chips now. And then while that's cooking, after I wash everything up and just leave everything to cook, I'm going to spend the next sort of 30-40 minutes to figure out the company KPIs. That's the one thing I want to do. Even though I have other lists and other things I have to complete today, I'm probably going to skip out on those just because I'm pretty exhausted and I'm at my limit. I think this week has just been all over the place and I'm still exhausted from it. So I'm going to try and get an early night today and then reset tomorrow. That's a plan. Early night and reset. Try to get my next week back to normal routine. New rule, if things are working, don't split test. Don't split test when things are going well. So it is Monday, I'm feeling super good, woke up. God, I bet it was a bit cold today. Really didn't want to do the cold shower because it's so cold today. But I forced myself to do it and I feel so good. I think routine, having a morning routine that just literally turns you on is so important. That sounds bad. That literally switches you on is so important because once you do that, put up the table. Like for example, I just feel amazing now and I know it's because of the cold shower, I know it's because of the morning routine and I just switch into place. So it's super important. If I had a warm shower, I would not be feeling as good as I am right now. So yeah, time to meditate and then morning affirmations and then finance. And then today I'm gonna film a bunch of YouTube videos. Back to the normal routine. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is gonna be the work days. And then in betweens are gonna be the project days. And yeah, I'm excited for this week, gonna smash it. So this is the new test where I don't watch any YouTube videos because I've noticed that my afternoon slumps because I watch things and I want to finish it, and then to feel productive, if I finish my meal I'll eat more, and if I eat more then I'll get even more of a afternoon slump. Not split testing when things are currently working. If my routine's working, don't stop that. So my lunch routine, my afternoon routine, it doesn't work. So I have to keep split testing until I find something that works. But once I've gotten it to work, stick to it for a long time. But like split testing is still important. Like now I know batching, like if batching was a breakthrough, then it would have been awesome. What got me here is because I'm pretty sure, like I can't really talk about like Mark Zuckerberg's, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, because they're at the top and obviously there's no one for them to consume. But normal like people at the billions, like for example Kylie Jenner or Logan Paul, because I don't want to talk about the people in the millions, because people in the millions, they just consume YouTube content all the time. But like I feel like people in the 100 to like a few billion, they stop consuming. Like once you have over 100 million, you stop consuming stuff because it's just wasting your time. And those people that got in there to go from 0 to 100 million, I'm pretty sure they didn't consume YouTube content as well. They just read books. And it makes sense. The amount of things I've learned from YouTube came from watching thousands, like tens of thousands of hours of YouTube content. Like all the awesome value I learned and motivation I learned from YouTube had to come from thousands of hours of consumed content, whereas I've gained probably the same amount, if not more, only spending like hundreds of hours of reading books. So the return on investment on time when you read a book is so much more than content, and the return on investment of like time spent on your own business and learning through actually doing things is also way more than watching and consuming YouTube content. So the conclusion is YouTube content isn't worth the time. Yes, you can gain some value, but the value for time isn't worth the exchange. Been pretty productive today. It's a good day. Pumped out those YouTube videos, always tiring, filming like 3 videos in a row, but pumped that out. Went through all my customer service question, helped all the students. Got a consultant call with one of my students in 2 minutes. Then after that, I got another call with Barson. We're gonna go ahead and film a whole the 0 to 400k series. And after that, I got the mastermind call. This is gonna be packed for the next 2 hours and a half. And then I'll break it off with the walk. But yeah, that's the plan so far. So yeah guys, so currently just filming the series that you guys might see on the channel very soon. It's how we help Barson go from 0 to 100k plus with one product, and we showed everything. So I'm just on a call with Barson now, he's there, and then we sort of share the screen. So this is a series that's going to do very well. So I finished the consulting before, spent an hour with Barson now, and then 5 minutes I got the mastermind call with the group, the course members. So yeah, it's a packed day, and yeah, Barson, welcome to the vlogs.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
So yeah, Barson has been killing it. He's probably one of my top students. So yeah, you'll probably be seeing him a lot more on the channel, especially with this series. So yeah, now I'm gonna say bye to Barson. I'm gonna have a 3-minute break, and then I'll jump on that mastermind group call. And yeah, long day today. Just finished the call. That was exhausting. Lots of hardcore questions. Answered everyone though. Everyone's happy. Now Mark is taking over, as you guys can see. But yeah, long day. Finally finished the bulk of the day. Now I'm gonna relax, go on a walk, make some dinner and chill. I wanna have an early night today and have like just reset for tomorrow. Man, look at my eyes, they're dead. No, it's just because I'm just giving so much energy away. When I film videos, when I'm helping students, I just put a lot of energy out and it just drains me. But yeah, that's the update. Let me go on a walk now. Alright, gonna try cook something that's definitely out of my comfort zone. Gonna do some capsicum, gonna put it on the stove. I'll show you guys the whole process. This looks definitely challenging, but we'll give it a try. Had a very nice solid dinner. Time to do the end routine, plan the next day, sleep early, read a book, finish off some chores, finish off dinner, just literally watch like a bunch of Entourage episodes. Pretty chill, nice night. Now I have to go ahead and answer all the students' questions because that's priority. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.